Can I just, they're all cheering and horting and getting mad at me for not doing this earlier. Can I just see your six-pack? Is it real?
Oh, yeah.
It's real.
So what I want to show you, it's core training. So this is something you can do at home when you're watching the stories, or you're watching SWAT in the commercial break, and it's just basic stuff. So you see my six-pack. It's a lot of sit-ups, but there's also basic core stuff. So just get down if you can to your knees, and this is called planking. So and then you want to just rest on your elbows, and then basically. Now, you can stay here, and if you really want to push yourself, you can push up your toes and lift your legs off the ground. And then you want to tighten your back all the way through. And then as far as strengthening your core and the side of your torso, you just do little twists. So you just rotate your hips and your butt to the right side, but stay in the air, don't hit the ground. And then rotate your butt and your hips to the left side, right?
She's doing it.
Back. Yeah.
She's got it going.
And this right here, and you just do this for like 30 seconds, and if you can do it to a minute, and then you can challenge yourself to go through the whole commercial break. And it's not about getting ripped, and the ladies want to look like the ladies, and
yeah, I don't want to be a bodybuilder.
No. None of this gets you ripped. But it gets your core stronger. So you'll just be more fit. You'll be more solid. So the more you do it, the stronger you get. So here's another plank exercise.
Oh, we get a second one.
Yeah. So now this is a little strange. So you want to stay on the side of your hip. Like you're laying down posing for your little calendar. There you go. There it is, all right? So just get balance on your elbow, like right under your shoulder. And then I got these dress shoes on, hold on. So now what you want to do is you want to push up off the side of your foot and your elbow and try to get your hips off the ground. Now that right there is taking care of your torso and all through the side of you. Now, put your hand up here. Now keeping everything sideways, you want to lower your hips, and then you want to pop your hips back up.
This is harder than it looks. Yeah.
Pop your hips back up. Lower your hips, pop your hips back up. And then if you want to put a little extra twist on it, you come down, you lift, and you reach. And you come down, and you try to, all the while, never rest on the ground. And if it's 15 seconds, if it's 30 seconds, and then the more you do it, the stronger you get.
You're gonna wear them all out.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.